Repairing a relationship after a conflict can be challenging, but it is possible with effort, understanding, and communication. Here are key points to help rebuild the relationship. 1. Take time to cool off. After a conflict, emotions may still be high. Give yourself and the other person space to calm down before trying to resolve the issue. 2. Acknowledge the problem. Recognize that the conflict happened and avoid ignoring or sweeping it under the rug. Acknowledging the issue shows that you are willing to work on it. 3. Take responsibility. Admit any mistakes or wrongdoings on your part. This shows maturity and willingness to take ownership of your actions, which can help rebuild trust. 4. Offer a sincere apology. Apologize genuinely, without excuses or justifications. A heartfelt apology can go a long way toward healing the relationship. 5. Listen actively. Allow the other person to express their feelings and perspective without interruption. Make sure they feel heard and validated. 6. Express your feelings calmly. Share how you feel about the situation, but do so in a calm, non-blaming way. Use I statements, like, I felt hurt when, to avoid sounding accusatory. 7. Find common ground. Identify shared goals, values, or desires that both of you can agree on, and use these as a basis for rebuilding your connection. 8. Focus on solutions. Work together to come up with ways to avoid similar conflicts in the future. Be open to compromise and finding solutions that work for both parties. 9. Rebuild trust. Trust is often damaged during conflict. Rebuilding it may take time, so be patient, consistent, and reliable in your actions moving forward. 10. Forgive and let go. Once the issue is resolved, let go of any lingering resentment. Holding on to past hurts can prevent the relationship from moving forward. 11. Invest in positive interactions. Strengthen your relationship by spending quality time together, showing appreciation, and building new positive memories. 12. Consider professional help. If the conflict was deep or recurring, you might benefit from seeing a therapist or counselor to help navigate and repair the relationship. By focusing on communication, understanding, and mutual respect, you can start healing and restoring the relationship after a conflict.